Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for 2-hour baked Bolognese sauce. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a large oven proof frying pan, and to that then we're going to add some sliced bacon, some good quality ground minced beef. Just break it up to make sure that it all cooks. Now folks, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button. It does help the channel and it means that I can make further videos for you. So now to our cooked mince, we're going to add some vegetables. We'll start with some sliced carrots, some sliced celery, some sliced onion, a couple of garlic cloves just finely chopped. Give that a stir around. Let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes just until the vegetables start to soften. Then to that we're going to add some good quality red wine, some beef stock. Now obviously homemade is best, but if not you can just use stock cube. Some tomato passata, some paprika, some dried mixed herbs, and now my secret ingredient for Bolognese sauce, some redcurrant jelly. We'll give that a stir around, bring it back to the boil, then we'll pop the lid on and we'll take it over to a preheated oven which has been put on fairly low at 150 degrees centigrade or 130 fan. We'll put the bolognese in and we'll let that cook for 2 hours. So as you can see, our sauce is thickened, our bolognese is cooked, it's ready to serve. Now I like to serve mine just on top of some boiled spaghetti, but you can use any pasta that you wish. We'll then top it with some Parmesan cheese and some basil. Now folks, again, if you've enjoyed my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.